Hello!
Hey everyone, we are off on an adventure today. We've been sitting in our hotel room for the last week or so and just exploring around Seminyak. And we thought today was the day we burst out of our bubble.
So the hotels that we're staying in, lady at the front, Win-Win, has organised a driver to come pick us up this morning. He'll be taking us around and exploring some areas for about 10 hours. We're super excited. Come along.
That's it. We don't exactly know where we're going. We've given a few ideas around the kind of stuff that we like to do. So it is much of a surprise to us as it is to you guys at this moment. So we're looking forward to it.
First destination's a temple that the driver's taken us to. So, looks pretty cool. It looks massive.
It does. It looks amazing.
The entrance is great. So.
Alright, so we're here at a temple in Bali. It's called Taman Ayun Temple. Probably about an hour north of Seminyak and sort of where the main tourist areas are. Amazingly peaceful, beautiful, stunning surrounds, stunning grounds. It's only $3 to get in for anyone, and you get a sarong as well to wear while you're here, because obviously that's a sign of respect, and we need to make sure that when we're in other countries with other cultures that we are respecting their beliefs and what they wish for us to do. This temple's been built since 1632, so it's incredibly old, with no doubt a heap of history attached to it. It's stunning to actually be here and be surrounded by this. We're incredibly lucky to be able to see it and feel it and partake in an experience like this, so really grateful today. Should do a quick pan and show you around a little bit. You can hear the sounds of the chickens and the birds in the background, which I love about being in Asia. Zaddy's down there taking some shots. Really beautiful area. Stunning. Not bad for stop number one.
So we've got some koi fish in here. They represent strength, prosperity, determination, independence, perseverance, and good luck. Look at them. There's so many in there.
We've stopped for a bite to eat at Billy's Warung, which is up. It's sort of near Ubud, just off to the sort of west of Ubud, just on the road to the rice fields that we're going to. This place is amazing. It's like set in a tropical garden with a lake in the middle, and you sit in these amazing little huts while you're eating, which is so cool. I'll show you around sort of what we're looking at out there. That looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Like, amazingly peaceful. This is such a cool place to eat. Alright, we've gone for our standard nasi goreng and mee goreng for both of us. Looks tasty, looks good. Hopefully it tastes good. Alright, update. The food was good. Very, very tasty. Very relaxing. Really lovely staff. Everyone's so nice. Yeah, nice little place to stop and have some lunch. Alright, so here at Leke Waterfall. Looks amazing. Stunning rainforest.
Smells like cow. But
Yeah.
it's a beautiful scenery though.
Yeah. We're in the provincials.
Have you heard of this waterfall?
Nah, never. Alright, we're going to walk down this waterfall steps. We're going to walk down these steps and do some more footage when we're down there. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me too well, but it's a pretty stunning waterfall. Absolutely amazing. The scenery here, the rock formations, it's just amazing. The greens are so vibrant. It's a really, really beautiful waterfall. So we are driving out through the rice fields and out through the more provincial areas of Bali. I must say I much prefer it out here. Open space, beautiful views, lots of green, much nicer than being in the built up areas of sort of the holiday areas. Much prefer being out here. Much more my vibe. Beautiful scenery.
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Alright, no matter the weather, we go and see what we came here to see. It is torrential, but we're here to see the rice fields, so we're going to see the damn rice fields.
Providing you with a quick weather report today. So the rain's calmed down a little bit. There's no wind over here, but the mist and the fog is all around. It's amazing, worth going to.
Alright, we are here at Jatiluwih. Wait, let's start that again. We are here at Jatiluwih rice fields. I think that's how you say it. Apologies if I've said it incorrectly. I don't want to offend anyone. But it is a UNESCO heritage site and it's absolutely worthy of that. It is incredible. I was upset driving here because it was raining really, really hard and I'm like, oh, we're not going to get to see it. It's not going to look good. But you know what? In this weather, it looks stunning. the colours, the clouds, the mists, the rain, it heightens the experience so much. It really, really looks incredible. We're super lucky to actually have a day like this when it was forecasted to be super sunny all day. So I'm actually not mad about it anymore. Super pleased. So I'll take some shots. We're going to walk around a little bit and, you know, experience it for what it is. And yeah, look forward to the walk through. How's the rain?
It's good. I don't mind it at all.
It makes it look amazing. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love it. This is so cool. What the hell? There's no one here. It's so peaceful. This is so nice. I feel like I'm interrupting nature if I'm talking too loud. This is incredible. I love it. And the rain has pretty much stopped. So good. Look at that. Oh, just perfect weather for this. It's so fun. The mist and the clouds. Oh, it's not hot. It's perfect. Zadi's over there taking some photos. Oh, this is so cool. Love it. All right, we are on our way back to the car. I know I've said it a few times already, but I've really enjoyed coming here. This has actually been one of the best experiences I've had in Asia. Really fascinating. Amazing scenery, amazing landscape. And again, like I said, just the weather we're doing it in is, we're super lucky. Like, I know I was super upset, but this has been the best. Really keen. Love it. Love it. Not too many mozzies either, which is good. Zald, what's your takeaway?
Lots of photos.
Hang on. Yeah.
Lots of captures. My battery's almost running out, but
This one too.
I'd happily come back here or stay here because it's just amazing.
It's stunning. Yeah, just breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. If you've not been, come. If you've been before and you didn't like it, come again. But come when it rains because it's amazing. I mean, what's not to love? All right, that's it for the rice fields because we've got about 10% battery left. Really good. All right, so here's an education moment for everyone who was the same as me and didn't know what rice looked like when it grew. So it's right there behind me. As you can see, just here. That's the rice. Grows kind of like, I don't know, like wheat or something like that. I thought, in my infinite wisdom, that because they planted it in rice paddies in the ground, that the rice grew in the ground. But I've just learned that that's actually the rice. And the only reason I learned that is because there's a sign here that says, please do not pick the rice here. And I'm like, oh, that's what the rice is. It's here hanging on these little stems. So there you go. I've learned something, and I hope someone else has learned something. Let's just keep it going.
So this view,